I'm going to show you the unboxing of Hikvision EXIR series dome camera. It's a IP camera. Here you can see some of the features of this IP camera, and it records in H.265 plus. And here you can see the model number of this Hikvision dome camera. So without wasting any time, let's open the camera from the box. On opening the box, you will find this pink color cover. Inside you will get two tapes, waterproof tapes, and you will get a template to drill the holes. And inside you have the camera, and also you will get some caps for your camera, and also you will get screws for this camera. This is how the Hikvision dome camera looks. The bottom looks like this, and here you can see the Hikvision branding, and the cable looks like this. This dome camera doesn't have lights. I have another dome camera which has lights. This dome camera doesn't record color video during nights. Only daytime it will record color video. During nights the footage will be in black and white. For those who are on budget, you can definitely try this dome camera. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.